Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be taking a look at this fella. It's the cheapest tool belt I could find on Amazon. I'm going to give you a look around it, give you my opinion on it and whether it's worth buying. So stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a close-up look at it then. So as you can see, it's got small pockets on both sides, then you've got your large pockets on both sides, you've got pencil holders on both sides, you've got your hammer loop or your drill loop on both sides, and we've just got a knife on one side, and then in the center we've got our little tape holder. So if I turn it around you can kind of see how big the pockets are. I think they're decent enough size. I have enough room to put everything I normally load up into it, so I'm happy enough with that. The weak point of the whole thing is this clasp. It's just really plasticky and really cheap, and I think it's going to probably break over time. Also, I couldn't get this to hold properly, so I've had to tie a knot in it. Now that's probably user error, but I couldn't figure out a way to make it work, so that's what I had to do. Yeah, so that's kind of a close-up look at it. What I'll do now is I'll put it on and load a few tools in, and you can kind of see what it looks like. Okay, so I have it all loaded up with a selection of tools then, just random stuff I pulled out of the drawer. As you can see, it holds the drill. I'd like it to go a little bit further down, but as it is, it's fairly secure, so that's good. Got my knife in, got my pencils. There's no place for screwdrivers. I thought they might have fitted in with the pencils, but they don't. But they fit down into the deeper pockets anyway. I've got the back pockets filled up. I've got my tape on my tape holder. Got a hammer. So all in all, it's able to hold all the tools I put into it, and it feels really secure. It's not going to fall down or anything like that. Despite the fact I didn't like the plastic clasps on the back, it is working. So yeah, there's not really negative I can say about it. It's holding all the tools I put in it, and it hasn't fallen down. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video. They're just my thoughts and opinions on the tool belt. You can give me yours down in the comments. Other than that, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.